Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and this video comes from the jungle in the Caribbean on the island of Nevis. This is the Mr. and Mrs. Smith's property, Golden Rock Inn, and it is spectacular. It is very intimate. It features only 11 rooms and suites, 2 of which we're going to show you today. We're going to show you a Hillside room, and we're going to show you the Sugar Mill suite, which is something else. So please do stay tuned. Even at full capacity, this hotel only has 25 guests. So it really is a great place to get away. You will find plenty of nature here, whether that be monkeys swinging in the trees or donkeys roaming around the jungle land. This is designed by landscape artist Raymond Jungle. Yes, his name is Jungle. Very apt indeed. The owners of this property have filled the rooms with many of the souvenirs they've collected on years of travel. There is a restaurant here, and there's also a swimming pool, which we'll show you in a moment. And the lovely landscape, obviously with its little paths and rocky climbs, it is not suitable for anyone in a wheelchair. This property is owned by renowned artists Helen and Brice Marden. It started life as a sugar mill and plantation back in the 1800s and operated as such right up until 1965, and then it was converted in around 2000 into this lovely little boutique hotel. By the way, if you're planning on getting married and you want an intimate wedding, you can actually book this venue and they'll organise everything for you with a maximum number of guests of 25. And here is the restaurant and bar, and some lovely trees there as we walk up this little winding path. Look at these tropical gardens, aren't they stunning? And here is the swimming pool tucked away, and a hidden place to relax. This really is somewhere to really get away from it. Now this is the old sugar mill. It's been converted into a room, and I've got to say it is absolutely beautiful. It is over 2 floors with 2 beds on the first floor and a double bed on the second floor. There's also a bathroom, which we'll show you as well, and this is the upstairs bedroom, and that is en suite as well. And this lovely little window seat with a lovely view out of the window, and this amazing bathroom. Just look at that. One of 2 bathrooms here, and here is the second one. A little step down to the toilet itself. Beautiful. And of course twin beds, ideal for a family. If you want to keep abreast of what's happening in the world, there is free Wi-Fi and a TV here in the rooms. And this is a mountain side room. Very nice. And bathroom and room. These rooms are duplex, so there's 2 of them together. So you can book them both as a family or just one if you want to. Like I say, just 11 rooms and suites in this lovely hideaway. And the outside view of the Sugar Mill suite. The original buildings from the original Sugar Mill plantation. And that big pot there used to be used for boiling down the sugarcane, part of an original feature. And that's just about it from the Mr. and Mrs. Smith's Golden Rock Inn. Have you been here? Why not leave a comment below. More details about the property in the description box. Until next time, ta-ra for now.